Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in previous videos you saw me associate things like PDF to Acrobat Reader, but it turns out there's actually more than meets the eye there. In fact, there's a bunch of things that Acrobat Reader needs in order to get as efficient as possible with regards to when people send different file types around. Now, we've pre-configured some advice for you. Let me show you how to download and use our pre-configured advice. What you can do is you can log into the PolicyPak portal and do what's called download advice XMLs. It's actually a big download because it has a bunch of things in it. The thing you're after is what's called the PolicyPak File Associations Manager XMLs. Here they are. Here's some of them anyway. So these are the ones we're starting off with as of this video. The idea is that we've got Acrobat, DC, Classic, Continuous, Acrobat Reader 11, and so on. Now here's the deal. It's very simple to use. You simply have PolicyPak File Associations Manager up and running here inside your group policy object. You're going to click on Import Collection, and then I've got this hanging out on the desktop over here, and you're going to pick the thing you want. So for instance, I have Acrobat Reader, I think it's 11 on my endpoint. Let's check. Yeah, 10, 11. Yep, I have 11. So I'm going to go ahead and pick Acrobat Reader 11 right there. And boom, when you do this and you see we've got a little collection, and inside the collection are all the proper associations you need. Not just PDF, but also all sorts of unusual things that you might not have even known you needed to associate. It's all right there. Well, gosh, what if you also have Acrobat Reader DC? What are you going to do? Very simple. You just click on Import Collection and pick the one you want, Acrobat Reader DC Classic, and there you go. But gosh, how do you make it so that these things don't collide into each other? Well, that's what the little orange is about. That's item level targeting. So if we click on this, you'll see we've got pre-configured item level targeting into it. You can click on collection level targeting here, and you can see we're looking for Acrobat Reader 11 either in x86 or not x86. The point is if Acrobat Reader 11 exists here, then that means you have Acrobat Reader 11. If we look at this one, and we can look at it a different way by clicking on Edit Collection here, or change item level targeting here. If you look at it, click on item level targeting, you can see that we're looking for Acrobat Reader DC, which is 2015, in this location. In other words, you can't have both, and if you have whichever one, we're going to detect it and put it in the right place. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and just leave these two in place and do its thing. And then I'm just going to run GP update. And it will auto-detect which collection is the right one based on item level targeting, perform the associations, and the next time we log on, we're going to see this PDF get to the right icon and launch the right application. Okay, let's go ahead and log out. Log back on. And there we go. In fact, let's see all the associations that it made. If we were to go to here and type in file for choose a default app, this takes a second, so we'll just give it a moment here. And now what we're looking to do is we're looking to find all those items here. These are the dot extensions, and we're looking for all the Acrobat ones. So if we're going to go all the way down to P for PDF, by way of example, LMNOP, there we go. There's PDF and PDFX or PDX and all sorts of other unusual things that have to be done. And if you wanted to, you could certainly go one by one and take a look to see, did we actually do the work? So we're looking for FDF, whatever the heck that is. We can go back, zip up. Here we go. FDF for Acrobat Forms document. Okay, so we've done all the hard work for you. We've got the pre-configured advice, and in this way, you know you've got it exactly right the first time. No brain power involved. Hope that helps you out. And if you're looking to get started with PolicyPak File Associations Manager, join us for a webinar, and we'll hand over the bits, and you can get started right away. Thanks so much.